Today, I'll show you how to add a pin button on Squarespace. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to integrate Pinterest with your Squarespace website. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just getting started, adding a pin button can be a valuable addition to your website, allowing visitors to easily share your content on Pinterest, thereby increasing your reach and engagement. To begin, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and look for the Settings menu. Within Settings, you'll find a section labeled Social Links. This is where you'll be able to manage all the social media integrations for your site. Click on Social Links to open the panel. This is the central hub for connecting your website to various social media platforms, and it's where we'll be setting up your Pinterest link. Once you're in the Social Links panel, you'll see options to add different social media profiles. Here, you'll want to add your Pinterest profile. To do this, simply paste the URL of your Pinterest account into the appropriate field. Make sure it's the correct link. It usually looks something like www.pinterest.com/your username. By adding your Pinterest profile link, you're connecting your Squarespace site directly to your Pinterest account, which is essential for the pin button to function properly. After pasting your Pinterest URL, the next step is to ensure that the Show Social icon toggle is switched on. This step is crucial because turning on this toggle will display the Pinterest icon on your site. Visitors can click on this icon to pin your content directly to their Pinterest boards. It's a small yet powerful feature that can significantly boost the visibility of your content across Pinterest's vast network. And that's all there is to it. Once you've completed these steps, your Squarespace site will have a functional pin button that links directly to your Pinterest profile. Visitors can now share your website's content with ease, helping you expand your audience and drive more traffic to your site. Adding a pin button is a simple yet effective way to enhance the social sharing capabilities of your Squarespace website. By making it easier for visitors to share your content on Pinterest, you're tapping into a platform that's known for driving traffic and engagement. Don't forget to periodically check your Pinterest analytics to see how your content is performing and to adjust your strategy as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Squarespace site. Happy pinning!